Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S8 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left corner button so we can open camera settings. Now as you can see in pictures category, at the first place we have rear picture size. We can pick also front picture size at the second position, so let me start with the back camera. When we pick it, we can decide between aspect ratio in 4 options. So we have 4 and 3, 16 and 9, full and 1 and 1, and this is connected with resolution, so the quality of the picture, and this is how to easily manage it. And when we move back to camera settings and pick front picture size, we can see that we have only 4 options. So you can set up this as you need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.